English, Class 7, Unit 2, Nature.
Question 1. What is meant by the natural wonders of the world? Answer. Natural wonders of the world are amazing natural features such as mountains, waterfalls, reefs, and forests that are created by nature. Question 2. How long is the Great Barrier Reef? Answer. The Great Barrier Reef is about 2,300 kilometers long. Question 3. What is the other name of the Northern Lights? Answer. The other name of the Northern Lights is Aurora Borealis. Question 4. How tall is Mount Everest? Answer. Mount Everest is 8,849 meters, 29,032 feet high. Question 5. Who first discovered Victoria Falls? Answer. David Livingstone, a Scottish explorer, first discovered Victoria Falls in 1855. Question 6. The Great Barrier Reef is an endangered wonder. Why do you think it is endangered? Answer. It is endangered because of climate change, pollution, coral bleaching, and human activities. Question 7. Why do you think we need to protect the natural wonders? What will happen if they are damaged? Answer. We need to protect natural wonders because they are important for nature, wildlife, and future generations. If they are damaged, many plants and animals will lose their habitats. Biodiversity will decrease, and people will lose these beautiful natural treasures.